Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Ajiboye Henry. I want to quickly show you how students will make attempt of CBT exam via your laptop or your mobile phone. I want to show you how students will make attempt of CBT question. Of course, I will briefly talk about how to set the question. I'll just talk about it. Then the main thing I want to show you is how students will attempt the CBT question. Of course, to set your question, it is very easy. You can use AI to set your question. If you come to this place now, you will see in this place generate lesson notes, generate CBT question. If you click on generate CBT question, it's going to take you to this place. You can click on the subject you want, then you can click on the class you want, and you can tell us how many questions you want to generate. Immediately you put the questions there. This is where to put the topic. You can put one topic, you can put multiple topics. Like you can put like 10 topics that you have taught for the term. Then tell AI to generate questions based on those topics. Immediately the topic will be generated. CBT question will be generated. So the next thing you need to do is to save it in your, put a title label of that question. It will give you a place to save it. You save it, put title, that is maybe English language JS1, put title. Then after saving it, it will be saved in your question bank. Then you come back here to your school portal. When you come to your school portal, you come to assignment and CBT. Then you click on the class you save question for. Then you're going to see all the questions. See this school, see many questions they have created already. So you see all the questions that you have created. You can create your question manually. If you come to this place, you want to create your question manually, just click on the plus sign and click on new CBT. Then it's going to ask you to put title. Once you put title, I don't want to put any title, and click continue, to take you to the CBT portal where you can actually create your own question. But the main thing I want to show you is how the student attempt. So the first thing, you need two things for student to attempt. Number one is the CBT code. Then you're going to write your CBT code out. Look at this first time examination pre-vocational JS1. Now, if you look up here, you see CBT code 683/109-261. That is your CBT code. Every teacher should write it out, and that is what you're going to give your examiner on the day of exam. So once you write the CBT code out, of course, all the students already